Good afternoon, my guys. I am Falguni ma'am. I am telling about a paragraph Araku Valley. Araku Valley is a beautiful hill station. It is located in Andhra Pradesh state. It is situated in Aluri Sitanama Raju district. It is a part of Eastern Ghat. It has many waterfalls. It is 911-meter high from the sea level. Coffee is produced a large quantity in Araku Valley. Padanavan Garden, toy train, tribal museum, etc. Many interesting place for tourists. Tourism plays an important role in this place. It increases its economic condition. Araku Valley has breathtaking scenic beauty. Thank you very much, my lovely guys.